What about living in a dramatically magnificent environment at Betkuchi Ahomgaon? Get surrounded by hills, greeneries, and boundless bliss. Ambika Group presents Diamond Home, where your lifestyle shines bright like a diamond. A dedicated electric car charging space with an electric charging point is allocated so that you relax and don't go outside. The everlasting bond you create with every non-living element of this lavish property reflects like a solitaire. Your beautiful home is nothing less than a diamond. It is a marvel. Make moments precious at the spacious rooftop area that shines brightly on top of the strikingly brilliant exterior like uncut diamond. The lush green and smooth manicured lawn enhances the beauty of the entrance. Badminton and cricket will make you active and energetic. The luxuriously designed balcony is the perfect place to enjoy the spectacular beauty of the sunset. Experience a home where tranquility and modernity add a glow of cheerfulness, just like a jewel in the crown. Diamond Home is your rare dream destination where priceless recollections will last forever. Keep your stature eminent with a valuable lifestyle at the lavish clubhouse that comes with all the contemporary amenities. The podium is an ideal space to rejuvenate. Add a sparkle to your lifestyle with a sitting space and a swimming pool. Come, experience a priceless living at Ahomgaon amidst a pristine environment. Live in a destination that is as priceless as you.